overjoyed because of what I'm making today. Now I know the noodle bowl, let me tell you, the noodle bowl yesterday went off so well that I had 2 leftover, I had 2 extra, and then I'd made dinner, which was a lovely, just simple pasta dish, but it was good. And one of my kids was hot because they wanted a noodle bowl for dinner and they did not want the pasta I made. So that's how good that noodle bowl was. Really everything that I've made this week has gone off really well, but I've been the most excited for what I'm about to make now. I've been wanting this all week. I'm gonna make mine on low carb tortillas, and it's so simple, it's not even a big deal. It's peanut butter and jelly with some fresh fruit inside. Quesadilla. I've been craving that all week. Kind of like a breakfast protein box. I think there'll be a boiled egg in there. I can't remember what else. I gotta look at my notes because, I made some notes.
All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is using my handy dandy little boiled egg thing, I'm gonna start my eggs. So that's one thing done.
Now listen, this is very important. I'm gonna put peanut butter on both sides of the tortilla, jelly in the middle because I want it to stick together and I don't want it sliding around. And then also I'm gonna put the strawberries sliced thinly onto the peanut butter. So I'm gonna do that now. Let's get started. Why do I say that all the time? Sorry if I'm annoying you, I'm annoying myself. Okay, as you can see, I've smeared peanut butter on the backs of all of them except 2. So I thought I'd do these 2. I know this is a lot of peanut butter. I'll probably use this much for, I don't know, both sides maybe. Let's see. I don't really know. It is spread on there pretty thinly, but enough that it can gain traction when you put them together so that they stick. Yeah, so that was about enough for one. All right, now I have a few strawberries and I'm about to start slicing them. But, look, it's like I'm in my witch's brew. Maybe I should move the camera. Okay, we'll move you over here because I want to talk to you about something. So yeah, nothing to do with lunch. So yesterday, or if it wasn't yesterday, I think maybe it was the day before, Shelby, she just went back to LA on Monday, I think. And, she thinks that I think she doesn't eat healthy. And that is not true. I know she eats healthy because I raised her to eat healthy. But I know she also eats hamburgers and fries, and so do I. Anyway, she sends me a text, and she made her lunch, and it was very delicious. It was like a simple salad, and then it was like, it had strawberries and oranges, and I don't know. So it was like a fruit salad, probably with like poppy seed dressing or something like that, and it looked very beautiful. And the caption said, "See, I do eat healthy." So then, of course, what did I say? I said, "I know you eat healthy." You know what I mean? I know you eat healthy. And then she's like, and then it turned into a thing, I think. Because then I think she was like, no, I don't remember. Something about at home. This is what I do remember. It's not the same vibe at home. And I was like, oh. Well, what does that mean? And I don't think that's a compliment. And of course I know it's not the same vibe at home that it is at college. But we're talking about food, which is my thing. And how come suddenly we all know that the vibe at school is better? How can that be? Anyway, my feelings got hurt, and I just want to say that, and I'm not sorry about it. Our at-home cooking vibe is good, but I gotta tell you, when you're at college, and you're eating and you're postmating, which if you live in Texas like me and you don't know what Postmates is, which is also means you're old, it's Uber Eats, but they don't do that over there. So that's something very, like, somebody's gonna look at you sideways if you don't know what Postmates means. Anyway, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just saying, children, be nice to your mothers and let them be good at the things that they're good at. Anyway, that's it. All my complaining is done. Like this lonely meal. I really don't think this is the LA vibe. But I'm sure people in LA must like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, right? Well, quesadillas, see? That's a hipper vibe. I'm just saying. And one more thing, this is healthy-ish. Low carb tortillas, fresh strawberries, peanut butter not bad, and it's organic. Is it? Wait a minute. No, I don't think this time it's not organic. Don't tell anybody. And what else? But it's not bad. It's good. I'm gonna shut up now. So it's not overloaded with strawberries. I don't want it to be overloaded with strawberries, but there you go. Now, next step, jelly. Well, and jelly, jam, or preserves. That's what I prefer. From the South, so I call everything jelly. And right on top like that. It's a little bit thicker. Next, onto the skillet. First, I'm gonna finish this. Also, I forgot to tell you, usually when I have jelly, I use a sugar-free one, and so that's what I'm doing on mine. Okay, I'm doing a lot of talking, so I need to hurry now. It's 6:10. Okay, all right. Golden brown on one side, flip it, golden brown on the opposite. And then I'm gonna put it over there on that cooling rack while I should say, there's butter down there. That very important thing. I wanna say, as it's heating up, it does ooze out the side just a little bit and get into your pan. So you might wanna have like a little napkin like this that you can just wipe it up so that it doesn't burn and make your tortilla taste gross. Bella, I was just checking to see if you were awake. So that the other piece fits. All right, I dropped everybody off at school. Now I'm back at home, so I'm gonna head inside, clean up the kitchen. finish up mine and Warwick and quarantine Phoebe's, and then we'll be done. And this morning I'm going to have a decaffeinated London fog. So I've got my bag of Earl Grey tea and 2 squirts of liquid stevia. It's the Pure brand that I'm using right here. Adding my hot water, and then in a separate cup I'm going to add some heavy cream, and then 2 more squirts of the Pure liquid stevia. And I'm going to microwave that for about 30 seconds so it gets really hot, because I really love a hot cup of tea. And then I always add just a little bit of powdered creamer because I like it super creamy. And then after I remove my whipping cream from the microwave, I'm going to use my handheld frother just to whip it up and get a nice good foam on top. Then just pouring it into my hot cup of tea, every drop of that froth, and now I'm good to go. So the snack I made earlier will be just perfect. Today is going to be a day, hopefully about 5 hours of just sitting at my computer and writing a good chunk of it, and then maybe I'll do a little editing of YouTube videos. But I'm writing a book right now, and I'm gonna try and really get into it today. So the snack will be nice in a couple of hours. It's already prepared. I won't have to stop. And then I'll just work through until it's time to pick the girls up. Snack time. I almost forgot. I didn't do this on anybody's but mine. But I added some peanuts because I really like crunchy peanut butter. But I don't eat it enough to buy crunchy peanut butter because nobody else likes it. But I was thinking it would probably taste really good inside of my quesadilla. That's it for me today. This snack really hit the spot. A little bit sweet, a little bit salty, so satisfying. I hoped you liked it. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.